Yep, sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook bafethu. Iqiniso libuhlungu and liyahlaba, mara fanele kube nomuntu olukhulumayo. Bafethu, this is undermining South African born players. Yeah, this is undermining South African born players. To a point where sizobona each and every player la South Africa eliyenza kahle lizofuna ukuyodlala ngaphandle, because they will know ukuthi if sichubeka sidlala South Africa we won't get selected. Emfethu sinama defender amaningi ukuthi wena la South Africa we don't need a defender. Asikho in short of defenders. We are not. If wena uthi uselecte a Nigerian born player to represent South Africa as a defender, umkhethe on which merits? Okay, umkhethile based on what? Because he's a Nigerian and playing for a third tier division team in Germany. Come on guys. You know, we'll make this thing easier for everyone. We have mobilized people who are going to the stadium, so bukela ifriendly bafana ne Panama, and we will come with boards. We will write inside the stadium those boards. We will write them inside the stadium. We don't want any Nigerian player in our national team. Please don't provoke us, Hugo Bruce. Don't. We don't want any Nigerian. You will never see a South African playing for a Nigerian national team. Never. It won't happen. Yeah, full stop. So you can't. We have Abu Tato Sbiya, we have Abu Grant Kekana, we have Abu Malibonga Khoza, who are playing Champions League football, but they don't get selected because they are born in South Africa and they play in South Africa. And they are comfortable playing in South Africa. Those who are not comfortable playing in South Africa, they go abroad. Just because a Nigerian plays for a lower division team, so we have to select him based on that only. Come on guys. Hugo Bruce did the same AFCON. Was select abo Tyler Smith, abo Intwana, knowing very well ukuthi masezidliwa angeke azifake le Intwana. Knowing very well ukuthi bakhona abo Grant Kekana, just you don't want them there because you just hate them. Danko.